Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make barbecue sauce Suka. First, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1/4 cup of brown sugar in a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir these ingredients well over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. This forms the flavorful base for your homemade Suka sauce. Next, enhance the flavor profile by adding 2 tablespoons of ketchup and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. For a little heat, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing all the spices to meld together. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the flavors deepen nicely. To achieve the perfect consistency, prepare a cornstarch slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Gradually whisk this slurry into your simmering sauce. Continue to cook and stir for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens to your liking. It should coat the back of a spoon beautifully. Once your delicious barbecue Suka sauce has reached its ideal thickness, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Transfer the cooled sauce into an airtight container or jar. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate your favorite grilled dishes. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Suka.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.